So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clear data in Telegram. How to do this is pretty simple. Head on to your own data and storage from your settings, and then here you can clear your cache. So if you want to clear your entire data in Telegram, it's pretty simple too. So basically here you will have to find where you have to go to the settings actually, so my bad. So here we go to our settings and then we go to general. If you're using Android, you can clear the data from the settings once you look for the application, I mean. So let's just say you go to apps and then you search for Telegram. So Telegram, and then basically all you have to do is clear data. There's gonna be a button for it. If you're using iOS like me, all you have to do is actually remove the app or offload the application so that it will clear the data. So there, basically that is how you clear your data here in Telegram. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.